Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use COUNTIF in Excel less than value. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a sales amount column. So here I'm going to use the COUNTIF to less than value. So simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the COUNTIF. So select here the COUNTIF function, then select the range of data. So I select here the range of sales amount column. I select here the first cell and use the shortcut key Shift Control down arrow to select the entire column. After that, use the comma and select the criteria. Okay. So use the double quote and use the less than sign. And here I want the less than 500 count. So again, I used a double quote and bracket close. So here the count amount, those are the less than the 500. So I just enter and 6 amount is available in this column. Those are the less than the 500. If you want to cross check, simply select the cell of this column and use the Shift Control L to filter. Then click on the filters icons and here click on the numbers filters. In numbers filter, click on the less than and here just enter the 500 and click on OK. And that's it. Here you can see total 6 amount is available in this column. Those are less than 500. Here you can see the 6 is calculated by using the COUNTIF function. So here the count amount, those are the less than the 500. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.